the man accused of killing a friend and burying his body in the backyard of his Seven Hills home was back in court today, and the judge really let him have it. After a 3-week examination by doctors, Frank Dienes was declared competent to stand trial in the murder of Joe Kopp. Bay Village police are also looking at Dienes for any possible connection to the unsolved murder of Amy Mahalovic. News Channel 5's Paul Kiska was the only reporter inside the courtroom today when the judge just ripped into Dienes. Paul.
And that's right, Lee. Frank Dienes moped into the courtroom today, mumbled at times, and looked confused. But Judge John Russo, well, he wasn't buying any of it, not for a second. It's not every day you see a judge blasting a murder suspect and accusing him of trying to stall the case by faking a mental illness.
You want to malinger. You want to give us this false appearance of, I got a problem, Judge. I don't understand what the heck's going on. And I don't like it, Frank. Mr. Dienes, I don't like it at all.
Judge John Russo tells Dienes to quit acting like he has a mental illness, to quit faking hallucinations, because doctors that evaluated him said he is competent to stand trial in the alleged murder of Joe Kopp.
Says you present no signs of mental disorder. You turn it on and off. You do a pretty good job based upon the 22-day interviews that you had over at North Coast.
Judge Russo told Dienes doctors said he was good at playing the actual game of chess with other patients, and even held intelligent conversations with his wife when she visited.
You have a very great discussion with your wife while you're being monitored, but I don't know if you know you were being monitored. So you have all these intelligent discussions when there's no doctors around, but when a doctor's around and a nurse is around, you turn it off. Clearly manipulation is going on in this courtroom on this case, and I don't appreciate it. You understand that? You don't. Yeah. You can take your chess pieces and move them around, but you can't talk to me. So you better put on your thinking cap. I'm not happy. I'm not comfortable with you being in the community. And based on your efforts to stall and manipulate this court and the process here, I'm going to modify your bond today.
And he did. Judge John Russo raised Dienes' bond to $1 million. Dienes can bond out again by coming up with another $50,000 cash or property, but would be confined to house arrest with an electronic monitoring bracelet until his November trial. Now, we'll hear what Frank Dienes' attorney plans to do next to this case coming up tonight at 6. In the newsroom, Paul Kiska, News Channel 5.